In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Outlook account with Gmail. If you're looking to streamline your email experience by managing your Outlook inbox right from your Gmail account, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through a simple process that lets you check your Outlook emails without ever leaving your Gmail dashboard, making it easier to manage multiple email accounts in one convenient location. To get started, open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. You'll want to make sure you have access to this account, as it's here that you will integrate your Outlook email. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will open a new window where you can find a variety of options for customizing your Gmail experience. Now, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. It's quite a handy section that provides several features for managing multiple email accounts. When you click on this tab, you'll find an option called Check Mail from Other Accounts. This particular feature is what allows us to bring in emails from other services like Outlook into our Gmail dashboard. Next, click on Add a Mail Account under this section. You'll see a prompt asking you to enter the email address of the account you want to add. Go ahead and type in your Outlook email address, then press Next to proceed. At this point, Gmail will ask how you'd like to link the accounts. The option we're interested in is Link Accounts with Gmailify. The service will not only import your mail, but also allows you to use Gmail's powerful organizational tools and spam filters with your Outlook mail. The next step may require you to sign into your Outlook account. If you're prompted to do so, enter your credentials to ensure the accounts are properly linked. This sign-in process is there to verify your security credentials and to allow Gmail the necessary permissions to access your Outlook mailbox. Once you've completed any sign-in prompts, your Outlook account will be linked to Gmail, and you'll be able to receive, read, and manage your Outlook emails right alongside those in your Gmail account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated your Outlook email with Gmail, allowing for a seamless and efficient email management experience. This setup ensures that all your important messages are consolidated in one place, making it easier than ever to stay organized and connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.